हेलो दोस्तों। टुडे वी आर डिस्कस्ड अबाउट स्टॉक मार्केट क्रैश। व्हाट इज अ स्टॉक मार्केट क्रैश? Stock market crash is nothing but a step down fall of a stock index like Sensex, Nifty 50 and many other small and mid cap indexes and its listed shares gradually due to rapid dumping of shares in the market, usually by big investors like FIIs, DIIs, which ultimately creates panic among the investor, and they also start selling their holdings shares with the fear of losing more and more value of investment, which ultimately results in excess supply selling, and there are less or few buyers. In simple words, it is just a basic concept of economics, demand and supply. Seller has to sell their holding at whatever rate buyer is willing to pay, which is usually low, thereby taking share price to downward. Apart from this, there are several other reasons of stock market crashes like high fluctuation in inflation rates, foreign exchange rates, RBI monetary policy, rise or fall in gold and oil prices, and health concerns, etc. There are as many possible reasons of rise and fall of stock market indexes. Current market. Market is extremely overvalued. Do you think that from here on this bull run may get a little narrow in the sense that, as opposed to almost every stock moving up, which we have seen in this past 1 year, I do not think fundamental there is anything that you can talk about in this market, because according to all fundamental metrics the market is extremely overvalued. When that will happen is very hard to predict. What to do when the stock market crashes? No matter how hard you prepare, there is also some impact on your investments when the stock market crashes. A lot of experts list things to be prepared for when the stock market crash. But what after it does? There are no many experts who have listed foolproof solutions. The points would be to check out that will help you with what to do when the stock market crashes. Points: nothing if you are a long term investor. Invest only as much as you can after saving. Diversifying your portfolio. Get more long term investments. Final words. We understand stock market crashes are are disheartening, but to make a wise decision is all it takes, along with patience. If you can buy more stocks after the cash and look into investing in long term stocks, the stock market is volatile. If it is rock bottom today, it will also rise in the near future. Disclaimer: this video was created for informational and educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.